Hey amazing scientists, it's your favorite sensei Mohau here, and today we are continuing. Remember, on the previous lesson we did an introduction video on grade 12 financial maths. So this, remember, we did what is the future value, what is the present value, what is this equation and what do we use it for, what are the examples of a future value, and real life examples of a future value such as investments, emergency fund, saving accounts, retirement savings, and so forth. So if you have not yet watched the previous video, please do so that you will understand whatever I'll be doing here today. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do the right thing right now. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that every time we post new lessons, you will be updated. Without any further ado, let's kick in. So on today's lesson, similar since yesterday on the previous video, I showed you how to solve for the monthly equal deposit. So now on this video I'll be showing you how to find or calculate the number of years. So now an example says Johnny wishes to start a savings account, basically, or a savings. So Johnny wants to save for his retirement. He estimates 4 million in order to retire comfortably. He invests 500,000, so he invests 5,000 every month at an interest rate of 13% per annum, compounded monthly. How many years will he have to wait in order to retire? So now, in this example, what is happening? We have Johnny. He wants to save money for his retirement plan. So now he decides that, okay, you know what, let me open a savings account of a future video account, and each and every month I will be depositing or investing 5,000 each and every month. Then after X amount of years I will retire if the amount of money is equivalent to 4 million rands. So now here we are tasked to calculate the number of years that Johnny must wait in order to retire. So now remember, let's just write our data down. So we have 4 million rands. Remember, why is it 4 million rands? Let's do it in numerical or value. So it's 4 million because it's the amount of money that I want in the future, 4 million rands. And then the number of years, we don't know the number of years, we are calculating for the number of years. The interest rate is 13% per annum, compounded monthly. So it's over 12, which is similar to 0.13 over 12, and then X, the monthly installments that we have to take out or invest every month. It's 5,000 rands. So now after putting your data down, you can say, okay, we have this, we have that, we have this. We do not have the number of installments that we have to do, or the number of years that we have to do the installation, our installment. So now let's now punch every single thing in this formula here and start solving. $4 million X, it's 5,000 and 1 plus 0 comma 13 over 12 to the power n minus 1. So divided by 5. So now remember that here basically what we are basically looking for is the number of installments. Remember now here, since it's compounded monthly, we know that this person Johnny will be investing money each and every month. So this n is basically number of years multiplied by t. Remember, it gives us just the number of years. And the number of years and the compounding period, either it's monthly or quarterly, it's just the number of years. Hence why here we're not multiplying by 12 here. Just put that in mind. So now here on the side we have a fraction. Remember, we are solving for something that is in the numerator. The best thing and the first thing that we have to do is to deal with this denominator first. So what are we going to do with the denominator? We're going to subtract it on both sides. So multiply it on both sides so that it will cancel out here. And here we will have 4 million multiplied by 0.13 over 12. It's equals to, let's drop this down a little bit. Equals to, we are left with 5 million. Sorry, why do I keep on saying 5 million? 5,000, sorry. 5,001 plus 0.13 over 12 to the power n minus 1. So now you can see it's clearer now. So the next step, what are we going to do next? That very good. We have to take out this. We have to divide by it on both sides so that we'll be left with everything that is just here in the brackets. So which is 4 million multiplied by 0.13 over 12 gives us 1,300,000 divided by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 3. So it's not 1 million, it's 130,000 divided by 3. Then this, now we divide by this on both sides so that it will cancel out. So which means we will have this amount of money divided by 5,000. The remaining one will be 1 plus 0.13 over 12 to the power n minus 1. So now we can remove the brackets. There's outer brackets, the bigger ones, square brackets, because of we don't have any other thing on this side here. So this answer, divide by 5,000, divide by 5,000, answer is 26 over 3. 26 over 3 is equals to this over 12 to the power n minus 1. So but now remember, we are solving for this n, which is an exponent. So which means that we cannot touch this thing. We can't divide by it because of n is an exponent. So which means that we have to check everything that is on the side, like this -1, and take it to the other side, and then we will use logarithm to solve for everything that is here. Yeah. Let's shift on this side. It's 26. Then we find another color. (26/3). So now it's a -1. Remember, as it goes to the other side, it becomes +1, and then here it will just cancel out. And yet, so it's 26/3 plus 1 plus 1, which is basically equals to 29/3 equals to 1 plus 0,13/12 to the power n. So now here you can solve for whatever it will be the value of this. Let's just do that. But the most important step here that we have to now focus on, it's using the logarithm to solve for the number of n. So it'll the reason why I'm not doing this, simplifying it, is that it's going to give us 1,01083333333 the carry. So I don't want it to affect our answer, as you will be forced to round it off. So now in your logarithm, remember, why are we using logarithm? We are using logarithm because we are solving for an exponent and we don't know which exponent is it. So remember, log, we have this thing, it's b and a. So this is the base, which is this one inside bracket, and which is the answer, which is that on the other side. So that's what we are going to do. We're going to do it like this, that n is equals to, the exponent is now equals to log of this thing, 1 plus 0,13/12, and then the answer 29/3. If you are a bit confused about why we're using the logarithm, remember guys, that let's say we had 100 and then 10, and we didn't know the base of this number. The best possible way we would do this is to use logarithm, which will give us the exponent that we are looking for. So we're going to say log 10 of 100, then it's going to give us 2. Why? Because of logarithm basically gives us the exponents that we are looking for, if we have a particular base and the answer. So now, hence why the best possible thing to do, or the best possible solution that you would use, is to use the logarithm formula. So let's punch everything in the calculator and see what will be the answer of this. So now it gives us that n is equals to 210,54924. Now remember that n is the number of n is the number of repayments. So as I explained here, that n is basically the number of years multiplied by the compounding period. It will give us the number of payments. And yet, so now since we have this, we have the number of n, which shows us that it is 210 payments that will be due. So now to find how many years will that be, we'll just say this answer divided by we'll just say this answer divided by 12, it will give us 17,54. It's this 210,54924 divided by, since it's monthly, so we know that we'll be paying in 1 year, we'll be paying 12 times. So the answer will be equals to 17,54, which is just equivalent to 18. So we know that we will have to wait, Johnny will have to wait 18 years before he retires. So which means Johnny will be investing this 5,000 rands for 18 years. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all enjoyed this lesson, as I very much enjoy teaching you this maths thingy. So without any further ado, thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to tune in for the next video, where I will be teaching you how to solve or find the future value. Hope you all enjoy the rest of your day and the rest of your week. Bye bye and stay blessed. Sharp, sharp.